AI predicts before it decides. It studies millions of samples. That's how it gets wise. Cats, cars, faces, fraud, whatever the task. But if data is dirty, the model wears a mask. A hacker sneaks in, changes labels on the sly. Dog becomes cat, truth becomes lie. One wrong value, know they flip thousands in the set. Now every clean prediction starts turning into a threat. The AI trains hard on data that looks real, but hidden inside is poison that can't feel. Like teaching a child that 2 + 2 is 5. It shapes his brain wrong before it comes alive.
Data poisoning, corrupt the core, break the model before it learns to score. Inputs twisted, labels lied. AI breaks down from the inside. Data poisoning, silent attack. One wrong sample can derail the stack. Before the breach, before the hack, the poison hits first, no way back.
Yo, you one label poisoning, switch the correct answer with the wrong one. AI learns lies under the sun. Spam becomes safe, malware becomes clean. The model fails, but the poison stays unseen. It checks your net, fake samples to shift the weight. Model follows patterns the attacker creates, like adding 10,000 photos with the hidden sign. AI misclassifies whenever that mark aligns. A 3 backdoor attack, a tiny trigger the human eye can't track, but AI remembers and bends right back. Show the trigger once, the model obeys. A hacker's secret door built into its ways. Looks real, smells real, still not clean. The poison hides in the pixels unseen. Model trusts it, trains on it fully, but its brain gets twisted so subtly. Poison one data set, and the city can fall. Traffic light, AI misreads a signal on the wall. Poison one ML model and banks misjudge fraud, approving attackers while flagging you as odd. Poison the face recognition system, security loses track. The camera trusts the wrong face, that's a silent perfect hack. Poison the medical AI diagnosis goes wrong. Patients get hurt cause the data was corrupt all along. This attack ain't loud, no brute force blast. Just poison the training and consequences last.
Hacking isn't always breaking the door. Sometimes it's changing the instructions written before. You don't attack the model, you attack what it learns. And when the data is corrupted, the whole world burns. Data poisoning, break the base, mess the brain before it joins the race. One small tweak, the whole net fails. That's how silent warfare prevails. Data poisoning, evil seed, corrupt the truth the AI needs. Hack the future before it wakes, poison the path the model takes. Go on your day, protect your data sets, audit your streams, clean your input, trust nothing unseen. Because the deadliest hack is the one the AI learns as true.